The 2012 BMW M3 Coupe Guerrilla by Camshaft. German tuner, Camshaft, recently got their hands on a BMW M3 Coupe, and true to their reputation as tuners extraordinaire, they gave the German sports car a little identity modification. In the end, the M3 Coupe Guerrilla was born. Starting with a matte space gray metallic foil called a platinum wrapping film, Camshaft took the task of reinventing the M3's sporty looks. In addition to the foliation work, which by the way cost €2,500 $3,100, Camshaft also installed a new front apron from Racing Dynamics, a new stainless steel exhaust system from Akrapovic, sills from Hamann, KW coil overs, and a new set of 19 inches BBS-Le Mans rims. Inside, Camshaft treated the M3 Coupe's interior with a number of new carbon fiber components and aluminum pedals. There doesn't appear to be any performance modifications given to the M3 Coupe Guerrilla, but even in standard form, it still carries an impressive 4.0-liter V8 engine that produces 420 horsepower.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.